In this video, we'll see the exams problem of Codechef. So in this problem, we have been given X schools, and each X school has Y students, and Z is the total number of students passed in the school. And what we need to find is we need to find the number of student passed percentage, right? So the number of student passed, that percentage of number of student passed should be strictly greater than the 50%, that we need to find, and output should be in format yes or no. If it is strictly greater than 50%, we should print yes, otherwise we would print no. Let's for take an example. Let's take, we have four test case scenarios, then x, then first is number is the number of schools, so 2 is the number of school, 10 is the number of students, and 12 is the number of past students. So the total number of students appeared is 2 number of schools into the number of students. So the total number of students appeared is 20, 2 into 10, 20. And out of appeared students, number of student passed is 12. So how do we calculate the percentage? Simply we'll uh, the number of past students, that is 12, divided by number of appeared student. So number of past student is 12 divided by number of appeared student is 20, 2 into 10, right? So 12 divided by 20 into 100 to calculate the percentage. So that's how we'll calculate the percentage. Let's dive into the course. I've already submit this and passed all the test cases. So let's see how do we write the code. So first we'll take the scanner class to take the input. We'll have the number of test cases scenarios. So now for each test scenarios, we'll first take input the number of schools as A, B the number of students as B, and in C the number of past students. So now in E we are finding the total number of sorry the in E we are finding the percentage of past students. So in order to find it, the way we discussed, the total number of past student, that is C, divided by total number of appeared students. How do we calculate it? The number of school into the number of students. So C divided by A into B into 100 as we find the percentage. So whatever percentage we get, if that percentage is greater than 50, then we would simply print it as yes, otherwise we'll print it as no. And at last we are decrementing this t so that we can cover all the test case scenarios. So this is how we can write the logic for this exam Codechef problem. I hope it's straightforward solution, but still if you see any issue, let me know in comments below. I will definitely reply to all your queries, and I hope you like this video. If you like it, then please support and subscribe this channel. We'll see you in the next video with a new problem. Thank you. Bye bye.